sa iyong pagtuturo.
Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. So ang ituturo ko sa inyo ngayon ay ang subtracting fractions. For example, 8 minus 3/5. So dito muna tayo sa subtracting fractions from whole numbers. So dahil walang fractions dito, so ito ang whole number na 8 ay bawasan natin ng isa, tapos plus 1 minus 3/5. Yung 7, yung 1, gagawin nating fraction. Kung anong denominator dito, yun ang gagayahin natin. So 5/5 minus 3/5. So 7, copy the whole number, 7. Then 5 minus 3 is 2. And copy the denominator, which is 5. So the answer is 7 and 2/5. Pero may shortcut tayo dyan. Ganito. 8 and 3/5. So 8, bawasan natin ang isa, 7. Then 5 minus 3 is 2/5. So ganun lang yung shortcut. Pareho sila ng sagot. So another example. 10 minus 2/7. So 10 minus 2/7, ang 10, babawasan natin ang isa, 9 na lang. Then 7 minus 2 is 5. O copy the denominator, which is 7. So the answer is 9 and 5/7. Isa pa. 15 minus 3/4. So 15, gagawin natin 14. Then 4 minus 3 is 1. Copy the denominator, which is 4. So the answer is 4 and 1/4. Paano naman kaya kung ganito? 9 and 3/7 minus 5 in 4/7. So this is now a mixed number. So with the similar fractions. So 9 and 3/7 minus 5 or 4/7. So ang 9, babawasin natin ng isa. So 8 na lang. Then this time we are going to add this to the numerator and the denominator. So 3 plus 7 is 10. Then copy the denominator, which is 7 minus 5. Kopyahin na lang over 7. So 8 minus 5 is 3. And 10 minus 4 is 6. Answer over 7. So the answer is 3 and 6/7. Another example. 10 and 2/5 minus 6 and 3/5. So 10 minus 6, so, pwede. So 2 minus 3, hindi pwede. So ang gagawin natin, bawasin natin ang isa. Ang 10, gagawin natin 9 na lang. Then, add. 2 plus 5 is 7. Copy the denominator, which is 5. Then, at kopyahin na lang ito, 6 and 3/5. Then, subtract. 9 minus 6 is 3. And 7 minus 3 is 4. Then, copy the denominator, which is 5. So, the answer is 3 and 4/5. Isa pa ba? Okay, last one. 6/5/9 minus 3/7/9. So, 6 minus 3, pwede, but 5 minus 7 cannot be. So, ang gagawin ulit natin, so ang 6 gagawin natin 5. Then add 5 and 9. 5 plus 9 is 14/9. Copy the denominator, 9. Then, kopyahin ito, 3/7/9. Then, subtract. 5 minus 3 is 2. 14 minus 7 is 7. then copy the denominator, which is 9. The answer is 2 and 7 over 9. Ito lang muna ang lesson natin ngayon. Sana may natutunan kayo. Muli, ito si Maestro Todeo na nagsasabing mag-aral ng mabuti. Sa pagkakaroon ng magandang kinabukasan, iyan ang susi. Maraming salamat. Ingat kayong lahat.